If you're looking for smart and useful products, then this video is for you. These power solutions are absolutely game-changing tools. Before you buy any power cord, you need to see this. In this video, I found the best power cords of 2026, based on real performance, quality, and value for money. I spent hours researching, comparing features, prices, and real user reviews, so you can pick the perfect one without wasting time or money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And for more honest, no-fluff tech reviews, make sure to hit subscribe. Let's get started. Starting strong at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics Power Cord. This 12-foot universal replacement cable is specifically designed to breathe new life into your desktop computers, monitors, and various office peripherals. Utilizing an 18 AWG construction, it features a standardized 3-pin connector that offers an incredibly snug and secure connection to your devices at all times. Being UL listed means it has passed rigorous safety certifications, ensuring your valuable equipment remains protected during long hours of intense operation. The generous length allows for flexible furniture arrangements, making it much easier to reach distant power outlets without the need for additional clutter. It represents a straightforward, high-quality solution for maintaining a clean and professional workspace setup effortlessly while ensuring reliable energy delivery. Moving on to number 2, here's a solid choice, the Seeklize Power Cord. This reliable 6-foot, 16-gauge extension cord acts as a perfect intermediary for your essential household electronics and various office hardware needs. Crafted with premium pure copper conductors, it safely manages up to 1625 watts while offering exceptional flexibility for tight spaces and corners. The plug is designed to be impact-resistant, featuring ergonomic non-slip grips that have survived extensive durability testing of over 2,000 rigorous bends. Its sleek black finish ensures it integrates seamlessly with your existing home decor, providing a discreet yet powerful energy source for any room. You can depend on this cable to supply consistent and safe power to your laptops, lamps, and other small appliances every single day. At number 3, we're looking at a powerful option, the Skriscable Power Cord. Engineered for the most demanding environments, this 25-foot outdoor extension cable features a heavy-duty IP65 rated vinyl jacket that resists corrosion and water damage. Having been tested at a staggering 2,500 volts, it is more than capable of powering heavy machinery and complex lighting setups in freezing temperatures. The specialized rust-proof pins and integrated Velcro storage straps make it incredibly easy to manage and maintain over many years of frequent use. It stands out as a premium, rugged choice for those who need a weatherproof connection that simply refuses to fail under environmental pressure. This durable cord is specifically built to endure the friction of rough terrain and the unpredictability of harsh outdoor climates without compromising safety. Coming in at number 4, this one really stands out, the EP Power Cord. This heavy-duty 14 AWG replacement cord is a powerhouse solution meticulously engineered to support high-demand appliances like refrigerators and dishwashers with an 1875 watt capacity. It features a unique pigtail bare end, which provides maximum flexibility for custom electrical repairs and professional-grade DIY installations. The SJTW vinyl jacket is crafted to resist moisture and harmful UV rays, ensuring total safety even when exposed to extreme temperature fluctuations or direct sunlight. Professionals will appreciate its rugged construction, which guarantees long-term reliability for even the most complex kitchen or workshop projects. It serves as a versatile and incredibly tough cord designed to maintain a stable electrical flow under heavy continuous loads for maximum efficiency. And taking the top spot at number 5, we have the OneChain Power Cord. Stretching to an expansive 100 feet, this 16 AWG outdoor extension cord provides an incredible reach for maintaining large gardens or expansive construction sites. The flame-resistant SJTW outer jacket is rated to survive extreme cold down to -50 degrees Celsius without any signs of cracking or stiffening. It features oversized plugs for enhanced insulation and a clever hook design that allows for organized hanging in wet or cluttered storage rooms. This cable masterfully combines weather protection with heavy-duty performance, making it a top-tier choice for any diverse outdoor power requirement you may encounter. If you need a long-lasting, manageable, and highly visible cable for challenging workspaces, this is the ultimate tool for your gear collection. And that's it for today. If this video helped you find the perfect product, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on amazing gadgets, smart reviews, and hidden tech deals. Got any questions or want a specific product reviewed? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.